All right, everybody, how you doing? So check it out. I want to show something to y'all today. New product. Well, it's not new. It's been out there for a little minute now, but it's new to me and not a lot of people have it. So I got the JK in the background because I have to give you something to compare so you know what I'm talking about. So when I got my Gladiator, we got the JK, I always get the hard top. And the reason I do that is because I feel like if I get the hard top, then if I want to get the soft top later, it'll be cheaper getting the soft top than it does the hard top. Well, with the JK, it worked out. Got the hard top and we got the soft top for it for like 350 bucks. Bought it off Marketplace, but we could have bought a brand new one for $600-700. Cool. But with the Gladiator, it's not that simple because the only real option you have is the factory soft top. And I don't want the factory soft top. And here's a couple reasons why. Even with the JKU, still use this one for example, when you fold the soft top back, you got two options. You can have it sitting back there, or you can just take it all the way off. Me, I don't like that. Personal opinion, nothing wrong with it. I just don't like it. I'm one of the take it whole type off people. Or if I want to roll it back, I can roll this back halfway, full way, tuck it under, flip it over, do what I want to do with it, but sitting back there is not one of the options. Now this is the best top. And this is great to have the NX Classic where the side windows come out, but this one the side doesn't come out. But I love this top. Unzip the back, get in, do what you want to do. It's got the slant back design, love it. But there's still not that many options for the Gladiator. Now, a company made a bimini type top, a bikini top for the Gladiator, and it goes over the back and it has a back window to it. But I saw a couple of reviews and they said they had a problem with the headrest on the seat pushing it out. And another problem is on the Gladiators, and another problem was on the Gladiators, in between where the back door is and where the roll bar comes around the back, there's that hole right there, and they left that hole open. Now if it rains, then you got a problem. So I saw this other company online that I saw came out a while ago, saw a couple of reviews on it, and I said, okay, I'm gonna take a chance on this. Now, it's another country, so it comes from somewhere else. It comes from Italy. And when I started contacting them, I said, okay, might be kind of sketchy because I have to order this thing from somewhere else. And it's not like I'm ordering off of Amazon or one of these other companies. I'm ordering straight from them. They have a representative here in the United States, but still you have to go through Italy, and that's where they ship it from. So my biggest concern was not getting scammed and getting my product. And I gotta tell you, for a day, I was still skeptical about this, and I thought I was gonna get scammed, but I was completely wrong. The communication between this company has been A+. I got the product within a week, no issues, and I got it all put on. So let me show you what I got. Oh yeah, before I go any further, before I do anything else, before y'all do anything else, make sure you go to the bottom, click like, click subscribe, and make sure you tell a friend. Now let's get into this. The company is called Suntop. They make a soft top for the Gladiator. It fits, it doesn't leak, and the noise level is no different than the factory top. And when it goes back, it doesn't have the top where it leans up in the air. You can roll it forward and tie it off up there. You can roll it halfway. You can roll it all the way back, tuck it under, or take it off. And you can take this top off in about 5 minutes, because it has the windshield bar, which is up front, which is where it fits into a groove. Here's a header, and the header goes on the front. This is not for this top, this is for something else, but this is the JLJT header. And where this sits on the windshield, it has a windshield bar that sits similar to this, fits over the top, top sits down, 2 bolts on each side, bolt it down, you're good to go. And the rest of it, tongue and groove. So it fits in there. And then it has the back window. The back window fits up in the groove right there. and the Velcro goes on top where the back window holds it down. And then it has a weighted bar right here. So when you pull it down, it's even got the Suntop logo up there, as you can see. It stays down, and then the other straps, they hook up under there, up under the factory lip. You tighten it down so the top stays tight, and the back window slips up in that same groove, the Velcro, and it tightens down up top here, which keeps the tension up there. It wraps around here. So this is it. I'm gonna put the back window in so you can see what it looks like with the back window. And I saw a couple of reviews before where the company sent them the wrong side of the Velcro, but I guess they got that issue fixed, so they gave me the right side of the Velcro, and I put it on there, no issues. I mean, I could have simply just went to the hardware store and bought the right Velcro, but no need to do that. And another thing I want to show you, when I was talking before about leaving an open hole, they give you this frame right here that bolts down to the stock location. They give you a threaded plate to go back here that will bolt it down, and so it stays there. This piece connects with that bolt, and then the side channel has 4 bolts, 1 there and 2 up front, and then the windshield bar like I pointed out before. And it's still fitting a little tight because of the roll bar. Might try to adjust it, figure out a way to change it where it sits down a little bit and it would fit almost perfect. Roll bar still causing an issue, but I'll work on that. And then when you bring this over, now you strap it in these buckles right here. But now if you want to ride with the back off and just the top, it comes with these, where you can put it in the lip and you can pull the top down tight on top of this. So they give you everything you need to run all options. Now it doesn't fit as good as it should, but that has nothing to do with the product, because this is awesome. Just my roll bar. And it didn't fit over the roll bar as well as I thought, so I'm gonna have to figure something out. Maybe remove the roll bar for now, and if it doesn't work out, I might have to sell the roll bar, because I'd much rather have this than the roll bar. Roll bar is not really serving a purpose other than to keep my pod speakers up there, and I'll figure out some other way to mount them up. I might have to just alter my roll bar, do a little bit of welding, but regardless, the product is great. So I'll put a link down in the bottom where you can contact them and see if you want to get one for yours, you want to take a chance at it, you go ahead. I'm impressed from the communication, because the customer service has been great, to the delivery, got it in a week, to the install. Now the directions, maybe they could improve on them, but they're not that bad. If you sit there and study them and actually look at it, and you go, ah, there's a lot of moments. So if you want to take a chance, like I already said, I'll put the link down in the bottom and you're good to go. And you can put one on your JT, give you another option besides paying twice as much for a factory one. So that's it. That's the Suntop Softop for the JT Gladiator. Y'all know what to do. Stay safe, have fun, and go out and change your life.